This is how to set expiration time in OneDrive on the web. You can still do this on the mobile, alright? So the first step is to launch a web browser. So here I'll be using Microsoft Edge. Visit OneDrive.com and log in if you are not there automatically, okay? You can see the web link here, OneDrive.com. Once you log in successfully, the next step is to click on My Files to access all the files you have on the account. Then, the next step is to navigate to the file you want to share with people. Alright, let's say I want to share this one named Enable Secure Boosted in Windows 11. Alright, so once you get to the file, click on the three dots. You will see some options here. Select Share. Once you are taken to this page, you may need to enter the email address of the person you want to send this to. But because we want to set time, what you need to do is to click on this settings icon. On this new page, this option anyone is selected, meaning that anyone with link can access what is contained inside. Alright, then come down to this section. You will see the set expiration dates. Click there and choose the date you want the file to expire, meaning that it doesn't have to have this file forever. So let's say today is 11th of July. Let's say it's tomorrow that I want it to expire. I will click on 12th. If you want the next month, you keep on clicking on this, okay? You'll be taken to the next month and the rest. But let's go with 12. So it's going to expire Sunday, 12th July 2026. Okay, so once is 11:59 going to the next one, which is 12 a.m., it will expire. So the next step is to click on Apply. As you have applied these settings, the next step is to click on Copy Link and send the link to him. Or alternatively, you can click here and then add the email address of the person. So let's add the email address here. It can be any email service, okay? Once you add the email address, it will show up on that. So click on it for it to be added. So as it's added, next step is to leave a little message. Let's say work with the file. So work with it. And the next step is to click on send. So he has all through tomorrow to use this file. Once it's 12 a.m., it will expire. That is all for today. So if you want to learn more tech tips with a little touch of finance sometimes, just consider subscribing, okay? Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.